These are some more familiar elevators. This is the Fairfield by Marriott in Schaumburg, Illinois. Same deal with this. This elevator, passenger and service, is smaller than the other regular passenger. All right, here are 5. 1 and 1R. 1R is open on this one too. I'm getting this video up to a sync. I do not want to bother the person at the front desk right now. Very subtle changes with this place. For one, carpets have been cleaned out a bit. Indicator's gotten better or worse for wear. I'll leave you guys to be the judge of that. Oh my god. Holy crap. Holy crap, that's the laundry. Holy crap, that's the laundry area. Oh, excuse me, fart. Here we are up at 2. Same thing on 1R. And this layout is just like the McCandless Crossing location. Finally, and we get this one. This is the larger elevator, surprisingly. This one's larger, surprisingly. 5. Here are cab view on this one. Similar to the TownePlace, but the cabs are green. Your fixtures, same thing. This is 3500. A is 2500, which that's combined passenger service. Usually it's the other way around. This place is different. Oh, there's Mr. Security. Solid material quality, nice. 700 National Parkway, Fairfield. This is 700 National Parkway compared to 750 for TownePlace. Interesting how they combine hotels like this. And here we are.